Hipidang sobhai pibaro shaka channel jongi ka tech tutor Meghalaya bla penyata ka SCSTE. Ka kuteng jong akademi bahasa Syakarim ba menta ka sing in sedang angin beteng biang ya ka chapter 2 ka inverse trigonometric functions te ila asang ya ka exercise 2.1 menta ngin beteng da ka question ka ba shipo ka question number 10. Te ka question number 10 ka ong find the principal value of cosec inverse minus root 2. Kumjo ngin sim let cosec inverse minus root 2 equal y. The next step pinyo y is equal to kaya cosec pinyo minus root 2 equal cosec y. Okay. Or la pin thought direct kumturu ki multiply to cosec both side pinyo cosec inverse minus root 2 equal cosec y. Or you can write direct cosec y equal minus root 2. Cosec inverse pinyo minus root 2 equal cosec y. Now, ngitip ba cosec of what angle long root 2 the peak mo to ka table jong ki values jong ki trigonometric ratios of some of specific angles kitu na 0 degree 30 degree 45 degree in terms of radian pa 0 pi by 6 pi by 4 and so on there ngitip ba root 2 minus uday cosec of which angle in radian cosec of pi by 4 equal cosec y. Okay, so implies menta minus cosec of pi by 4. Okay, the pitip ya kato ka formula inade shukman cosec inverse cosec of minus lada kamne ka inverse root kine filale ha class 11 cosec of minus theta pinyo hi minus pinyo kadem cosec of minus theta equal minus cosec theta ka the ka formula so ngin apply hangni pinyo mta minus cosec theta ka ka one khong pom nung ni so minus cosec theta pilawan tha cosec of minus theta so pilawan tha cosec of minus pi by 4 equal cosec y. Okay, so pick and mark range jong ki principal value jong cosec ka from where to where we know that the range for the principal value branch of we know that the range of the principal value of cosec inverse is close interval minus pi by 2 comma to pi by 2 minus na yo 0 there nilale kini ha ki videos ke bashan ngit baka range ka principal value range dong cosec inverse ka day from minus pi by 2 close interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 pe minus na yo 0 degree pikan ma bale minus na yo 0 because cosec of 0 day what is cosec of 0 day not defined takadaw ni minus na yo 0 tenang the kiya therefore y is equal to minus pi by 4. Tenang to pila thought conclusion. Therefore, the principal value of cosec inverse minus root 2 is minus pi by 4. Mentangin continue ya ka question ka ba 11. Ka question ba 11 ka ong find the value of tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. Solution. Okay. Tan inverse 1 okay na thought plus cos inverse minus 2 plus sin inverse minus half. Okay. The equal tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse 1 pat nanta kade tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree in terms of reading cái tan pi by 4. The hakajoka jong one alaban thọ no tan pi by 4. Okay, plus because why? Because tan pi by 4 equal 1. Takadaw. Hakajoka jong 1 tan alaban thọ tan pi by 4 plus cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. Tingit tiếp ba cos inverse minus x có formula cái nghĩa là cho các cái cũng nó cos inverse minus x có formula cái đấy equal pi minus cos inverse x. Tingin apply về cái này có formula này hay cái đấy cũng pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2. Okay. Next plus sin inverse minus x có formula cái đấy cũng nó sin inverse minus x nghĩa là cho các có formula cái đấy sin inverse minus x có formula cái đấy minus sin inverse x. Okay. So in apply cái này có formula này sin inverse of minus 1 by 2 phần nhỏ minus sin inverse 1 by 2. Tan inverse but tan phần nhỏ tan inverse of tan pi by 4 phần nhỏ xong pi by 4. Okay. Plus pi cos minus cos inverse 1 by 2. Cos of how much đấy? 1 by 2. Cos of which angle? Cái đấy 1 by 2. Tingin tiếp ba cos cả nó cos 60 degree. That means cos pi by 3 equals 1 by 2. So instead of 1 by 2 ngon thọ nó cos inverse cos instead of 1 by 2 ngon thọ cos pi by 3. The plus into minus minus sin inverse. The sin inverse of how much? Sin of how much is 1 by 2? Sin 30 degree. That is sin pi by 6 equals 1 by 2. So instead of 1 by 2, how many turn up? Sin pi by 6. Okay. I hope class also ada ang to. Now next equal pi by 4 plus pi minus cos inverse cos pi by 3 in your bed down pi by 3 minus sin inverse sin pi by 6 in your bed pi by 6. Now to calculate bit again. What's the LCM of 4, 3 and 6? 12. I hope you don't can mal. Class 12 you can mal and find LCM. 4, 3, 6. The shadow 2, 2 2s are 4, 3, 2 3s are 6. 2, 1, 3, 3. Then 3, 1, okay. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. That is how you find the LCM. So now, pi. Pi into how much banong? Pi. 4 into how much banong? 12, 4 into 3 plus pi into Shapom then 8 and 1. 1 into how much banong 12? 1 into 12 minus Minta Shapot then 3. 3 into both pi. 3 into how much banong 12? 3 into 4 minus both pi. 6 into how much banong 12? 6 into 2. Equal 3 pi plus 12 pi minus 4 pi minus 2 pi by 12. Okay. So can you do this will be 15 pi minus 6 pi minus 4 pi minus 2 pi minus 6 pi by 12. Now to minta pinyo 9 pi by 12. Cancel 9 by 12. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So cancel pinyo 3 pi by 4. Look at the answer trong 3 pi by 4. Thì mình ta ngân pet your question number 12. Question number 12 I'll find the value of cos inverse half plus 2 sin inverse half. The solution cos inverse half plus sin inverse half. Now equal cos inverse cũng rồi. Cos inverse half đấy. Cos of which angle? Cos of pi by 3. Cos of pi by 3. That is cos of 60 degree. Plus 2 sin inverse sin half the sin of which angle? Sin of pi by 6. Okay. equal cos inverse cos pi by 3 can you base pi by 3 plus 2 sin inverse sin pi by 6 can you bit pi by 6. Okay. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Cancel to fancy a bit pi by 3 plus pi by 3 equal LCM day 3 pi plus pi. Okay. And if you thought step by step, can you 3 pi into 1 plus pi into 1. Some of him didn't come and penny head take it. Okay. So that answer can be 2 pi by 3. The next answer jump here. Minta, you can pick a question number 13. The question number 13 very easy. Here that sin inverse x equal y, then option y 0 less than equal to y less than or equal to pi. Option B minus pi by 2 less than or equal to y less than or equal to pi by 2. C 0 less than y less than pi. D minus pi by 2 less than y less than pi. Tengi tip yaka range trong ku sin inverse kadai kum no. We know if okay. Hani ki if sin inverse x equal y. Tengi tip baka range trong u sin inverse kadai from where from minus pi by 2 to close interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. We know that we know that the range of the principal values of sin inverse x is close interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. So, therefore, option. Independently, had close interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, close interval that means minus pi by 2 also included, pi by 2 also included in this range. Okay, so kane ka option ka along wrong because this is from 0 to pi, 0 and pi included. Kane ka option ru kare 0 to pi, 0 and pi not included. Okay, the option ranga kan laban kan ne okay. So na hinape hinabata this is from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Kane from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Taba piaban pe ha. Na preng kine hang ne kade less than or equal to minus pi by 2 y minus pi by 2 less than or equal to y less than or equal to pi by 2. Hang ne part kare minus pi by 2 less than y less than pi by 2. There, hang ne kamot minus pi by 2 nama bo then equal sign wrong. Minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 are included. Hang ne kamot minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 are included. Hang ne part kamot open in minus pi by 2 but pi by 2 came not included. Mud open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. So nama baka range ng sin inverse nginatip badai from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So option is B. Okay. Therefore, the correct option is B. The next question minta kade question number 14. Question number 14 ko find the value of tan inverse root 3 minus sec inverse minus 2 kalong equal to option A pi, option B minus pi by 3, option C pi by 3 but option D 2 pi by 3. Tikanya minta pinhaban solve solution. The piece of minta kanya shim with it tan inverse root 3 minus sec inverse minus 2. Okay, equal tan inverse tan of what angle kalong root 3? Tan of pi by 3, tan of 60 degree. Okay, minus kani part the sec inverse of minus 2. Sec inverse of minus 2. Then ito ba sec inverse of minus x kade pi minus sec inverse x there. Kade ka formula ngin ada shakman haki video ke shakman te hang ne tunyo mata minus sec inverse pi minus sec inverse 2. Okay. Now tan inverse tan pi by 3 pinyo pi by 3 minus pi minus plus minus plus sec inverse 2 equal pi by 3 minus pi plus sec inverse 2 manda pilaman sec inverse sec of which angle belong to sec of pi by 3 ka long 2. Sec of pi by 3. Okay? Equal pi by 3 minus pi plus pi by 3. Then to piece of precision LCM. Okay? Well, LCM hanede 3. Then pinyo pi into 1 minus pi into 3 plus pi into 1. Okay? Well, to pinyo pi minus 3 pi plus pi by 3. Okay? So, equal pi plus pi pinyo 2 pi minus 3 pi by 3 equal minus pi by 3. So, after solving, pinna baka answer kaday minus pi by 3. The minus pi by 3 option is B. Therefore, the correct option is 10. Therefore, the correct option is B. Thì mình ta nghĩ là bây giờ sẽ có một trong cái exercise trong cái exercise 2.1. Okay. Thì ngala solve it baro kitchen kali hado question number 40 thì là pidang kinu kitchen air kinu ki doubts pila ban itu yang comment sections but ngila ban batai biang ki hakiwi pat ki video. Thì ngin saya sham biang pi hakawai pat ka exercise kata ka exercise 2.2 thì kublai syukur.